Welcome back, and we are now doing substitution. We are solving a system of equations by substitution. And we know it's a system because we have two equations, not just one, okay? So, step one of substitution, everybody write this down, you're writing as I'm writing it. Step one, make sure one equation is solved for a variable. Could be X or Y. Can you get that? Make sure one equation is solved for a variable. Okay? Whereas you can see, of these two equations, the top equation is already solved for Y. Okay? So, step one, check. Because this top equation is already solved for Y. Now, step two. Circle and substitute. Okay? And rewrite second equation. Hold on. Okay, so let me show you what that means. You're going to circle, since this is already solved for Y, you're going to circle what Y is equal to. So we circle it, okay? Even if it's corny, circle it anyway, because I'm a visual learner. You're going to circle it, and then you're going to point it to the Y in the second equation, because you're showing what you're going to substitute in for Y in the second equation. You're going to substitute 3x in for Y in the second equation and rewrite that second equation, okay? Substituting that 3x in for Y. So let's do it. So we have x plus 3x equals negative 32, okay? So we just actually did the substitution. We replaced this y for that 3x. Now we just saw, obviously, what's the only variable in this equation? X, so we're solving for x. So we're going to combine like terms. So 1 plus 3 is 4x equals negative 32. Divide by 4 on both sides, we get x equals negative 8. So when we're solving for a solution, okay, that's going to be an x and a y value, okay? So clearly we've solved for the x value already. So we're going to put negative 8, okay? And now we have to solve for y. So we're going to take what x is equal to and pick one of these original equations to substitute for x into one of those equations to solve for y. So which one do you think I'm going to pick? I'm going to pick this one because y is equal to whatever the result of this is. So I'm going to take that negative 8 and watch. Okay? I'm going to substitute it in for that x up there. Okay? And I'm just going, and that's 3 times x. Remember, that's 3 times x. So when you plug that in, that negative 8, okay, remember, y is equal to whatever the result of that is. So 3 times negative 8 is negative 24, and you're done.